and I'm Naisha Bura Muhammad. Today we're going to talk about prioritization methods. Prioritization methods are techniques used to determine which tasks, goal, or problems should be addressed first based on their importance and urgency. These methods help individuals and organizations make better decisions, use their time and resources wisely, and focus on what matters most.
So, what is prioritization? So, ito yung pag-decide kung ano yung uunahin mong gawin kapag marami ang iyong mga tasks. So, first is prioritization time management strategy. So, ito yung hindi ka basta gawa ng gawa. So, may system ka kung ano yung uunahin mong gawin or tapusin. So, the second is help identify and most important urgent tasks. So, hindi lahat ng gagawin mo pare-pareho. So, may kailangan kang gawin ngayon at may malaki yung impact sa puso mo. So, third is allow people to focus on what matters first. So, para hindi ma-distract ang maliit na bagay, diretso ka sa mga tasks na talagang importante. So, the last one is improve productivity and organization. So, pag alam mo yung uunahin mo, mas marami kang matatapos at maayos yung araw mo. Hindi magulo. So, that's all.
So good day, I am Nurjana Makalnas, and I'd like to discuss about how prioritizations works, especially for us students. So first, make a list of all your tasks. So this includes your assignments, projects, and even personal commitments. So seeing everything in one place helps you understand what you need to accomplish. So next, you need to identify which tasks are urgent and important. For example, if you have a project due in 2 days, that should be at the top of your list. It's crucial to focus on tasks that have tight deadline or significant impact on your grades. Once you've identified this, start tracking them one of a time. It's tempting to multitask, but focusing on one task allows you to complete it more efficiently and effectively. Lastly is this method helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed. By concentrating on what's most important, you can manage your time.
My name is Sadiq Nur Hanifa. My report is about benefits. So, what is benefits? Benefits, ayan yung hindi madaling mahabala abang nag-aral at madali kang makatapos kung ano ang ginagawa mo. May mga example ang benefits. Ang una ay ang save time. Ang save time ay pagtitipid ng oras para hindi sayang ang oras natin. Pangalawa naman ay reduce stress. Nababawasan ang pag-aalala at pagod. Pangatlo naman ay ang improve meeting deadlines. Naiiwasan ang pagkahuli sa takdang oras. Pang-apat naman na example ng benefits ay increase productivity. Tumataas ang nagagawa at bisa. Kumbaga na mas marami at mas maayos na natatapos kaysa sa maraming oras na. Pang-apat ay better quality.
Good afternoon, I'm Asnia Musur, and now our topic for today is practical tips to apply prioritization effectively. Make a daily to-do list and arrange your task by priority. Gumawa tayo ng daily to-do list tapos ayusin natin yan based sa priority. Para hindi tayo naguguluhan, break large tasks into smaller steps. So they are easier to complete kapag malaki yung gawain natin sa maliit na step. Avoid distraction. Focus on one task at time and view your prioritize every day. I-check natin ulit yung prioritize natin araw-araw kasi minsan nagbabago naman yung schedule o deadline natin. So, that's all.
Real-life academic example. For example, imagine you have a math exam tomorrow, a research paper due next week, and a group presentation next Friday. The math exam should be your first priority because it has nearest deadline. After studying for the exam, you can continue working on your research paper and then prepare for your presentation. This helps you avoid cramming and submit better work.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tasifa Ulama. My reporting is about why it is effective. Keep you organized. Mas nag-imas ang iyong mga gawain at alam mo kung ano ang dapat unahin. Help you manage time wisely. Natuto kang gamitin ang oras ng tama at maiwasan ang pagpuprocrastinate. Reduce pressure. Nababawasan ng stress dahil may malinaw kang plano at schedule. Improve academic performance. Mas natatapos ang school task sa oras at mas gumaganda ang iyong grade. Builds good study habits. Nakakabuo ka ng disiplina at consistent sa study habits na makakatulong sa iyong pag-aaral at sa future.
Conclusion, prioritization helps students focus on important tasks, manage their time effectively, reduce stress, and achievable better academic success. Ang conclusion, ang prioritization ay tumutulong sa estudyante na mag-focus sa mga importanteng task. Mas nagiging effective ang kanilang time management, nababawasan ang stress at mas malaking chance na magkaroon ng better academic success. Yun lang.